Writing a Christmas song, even though Christmas is still 7 months away, may seem like an unusual task. However, the process of creating a festive and heartwarming tune can be both enjoyable and rewarding. For some, it may seem premature to write a Christmas song in May or June. However, starting early can provide ample time for refining ideas and perfecting the composition. By embracing the magic of Christmas year-round, one can create a timeless musical masterpiece that will continue to bring joy for years to come.
Sang sot i Bethlehem, så dog du tog til vogn. Tom betumon og umun, no susu isotanana, mantat surga mengikut mamasi. Tuhan Nabi som hoso tasa papazo Tuhan, ko bentukan ko fungsikan ipomoguna fungsiku noh toko kalamasan iti kinoy kata tanato kinoy nga